Friends, today let us see exercise 8.4. First you see the formula. Okay, P of A plus P of A dash equal to 1. P of P means probability. No, already we finished 8.3. Okay, so P of A means possibility. P of A dash means impossible event. This is possible event, this is impossible event. If we add possible plus impossible, we get 1. Okay, so P of A dash equal to 1 minus this. Come this side, change into minus. Okay, 1 minus P of A. If you want P of A means 1 minus P of A dash. Next formula, P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. If A and B are mutual events, means that A intersection B is 0. Okay, that common elements not coming, so P of A intersection B is 0. So P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B, mutual events only. Okay, next P of A union B union C equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A intersection B minus P of B intersection C minus P of A intersection C plus P of A intersection B intersection C. Okay, next, now let us see exercise 8.4 first sum. Okay, so given if P of A 2 by 3, P of B 2 by 5, P of A union B 1 by 3 is given, then find P of A intersection B. We know the formula P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Okay, so P of A union B already given in the question. So 1 by 3 is equal to P of A is 2 by 3 plus P of B is 2 by 5. Okay, minus P of A intersection B. So P of A intersection B, this side come change into plus. Okay, 2 by 3 plus 2 by 5. This 1 by 3 come this side, minus 1 by 3. Okay, now I take LCM. So 15, 3 5s are 15. So here is 3 5s are 15. So 2 5s are 10. Next 5 3s are 15. So we multiply by 3. This 5. So numerator also we multiply by 5. So 2 5s are 10. Here 5 3s are 15. So numerator also we multiply by 3. So 2 3s are 6. Next 3 5s are 15. So numerator also multiply by 5. So 1 5s are 5. So 10 plus 6 11. 11 minus 5 6. 16. Sorry, 10 plus 6 16. 16 minus 5 11. 11 by 15. So answer P of A intersection B is equal to 11 by 15. Okay, you understood? P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So P of A union B given, A given, B given, minus A intersection B only you want to find. So this side come change into minus. So we'll take LCM. So 3 5s are 15. So denominator, which number we multiply? Numerator also we multiply by that number. So 10 6 5, 16 minus 5 11. Okay. Can question listen. A and B are two events such that P of A 0.42, P of B 0.48 and P of A intersection B 0.16. Find P not A. First division. P of not A. Not A means P of A bar. Okay, not A means P of A bar. Okay, so we know the formula P of A bar is equal to 1 minus P of A, because P of A plus P of A dash is equal to 1. So P of A dash equal to 1 minus P of A. So 1 minus P of A is 0.42. So minus this like only minus. Okay, so 0 we borrow, this change into 0, this change into 9, this change into 10. So 8 5. So 0.58. So P of A bar is equal to 0.58. Next, second one, second division, P naught B. So P naught B means P of B bar only. So this formula 1 minus P of B. So 1 minus P of B is 0.48. So 1 0.48. So this borrow, this change into 9, this change into 10, so 5. So 0.52. Okay. So P of B bar is equal to 0.52. Next, third division, P A or B. P A or B means A union B. Okay. A union formula you know, P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Okay. So P of A already given in the question. So is equal to 0.42 plus P of B 0.48 minus P of A intersection B also given 0.16. So first we add this number, 2 plus 8 0, 1 carry 4 plus 4 8 9, 0.90 minus 0.16. So you minus, so borrow 8 10, so 4 7, so 0.74. So P of A union B is equal to 0.74. Okay, understood? Next, third question. Listen, next question. If A and B are two mutually exclusive event of a random experiment and P naught A equal to 0.45, P of A union B equal to 0.65, then find P of B. Okay, given P naught A means P of A bar equal to 0.45. Okay, next given P of A union B is equal to 0.65. So mutual event man, already I told the formula, P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B only. Okay, this given B of A bar, so we easily find P of A. So P of A is equal to 1 minus P of A dash or A bar. Okay, 1 minus P of A dash 0.45. So 5, 0.55. Okay, now you substitute this formula. Okay, so P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B. P of A union B is given, so 0.65 is equal to P of A. Now only we find 0.55. Okay, it's P of B. So P of B is equal to 0.65 minus 0.55. So P of B is equal to 5 minus 5 0, 6 minus 5 1, so 0.1. So P of B is equal to 0.1. You understood? Okay, so first we find P of A. Okay, after you substitute this formula. Listen, next fourth question. The first one, at least one of A and B occur is 0.6 means that is P of A union B is 0.6. Okay, given. This is probability 0.2 is P of A intersection B is 0.2. So given P of A union B and P of A intersection B. Okay, so first we find we know the formula, P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Okay, so P of A union B is 0.6. So P of A we don't know, so P of B also don't know, minus P of A intersection B 0.2. So P of A plus P of B is equal to 0.6, this plus minus change into plus. Okay, 0.2. So P of A P of B is equal to 0.8. So this asking P of A dash plus P of B dash only. P of A, how do you write? P of 1 minus P of A dash. Okay. So P of A we should write 1 minus P of A dash. P of B also we will write same like this. 1 minus P of P dash. Okay, 0.8. So 1 plus 1, 2. So minus P of B dash is equal to 0.8. So minus P of A dash minus P of B dash is equal to 0.8. This to come this side, change into minus 2. Okay, 2. So borrow this 9, 0, 10, 10 minus 2, 1. So 1.2 minus 1.2 because the greatest number is 2. So minus 1.2. So minus P of A dash, P of B dash is equal to minus 1.2. So it cancel minus. So P of A bar plus P of B bar is equal to 1.2. Okay, you understood? Listen, next question. The probability of happening of an event A is 0.8. So P of A is equal to 0.5 is given and that B is 0.3. So P of B is equal to 0.3. Okay, if A and B are two mutually exclusive events, then find the probability that neither A nor B. Okay, neither A nor B means that A union B not. Okay, so first we find A union B. So P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B. This is not coming minus P of A intersection B because this is mutually event. Okay, so and formula P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B only. So 0.5 plus 0.3. Okay, so 0.8. This is either A or B. Okay, here asking neither A nor B. So neither A means 1 minus P of A union B. Okay, so is equal to 1 minus 0.8. So is equal to 0.2. So neither, so P of A bar union B bar. Okay, so is equal to 0.2. Okay, understood? So next question, listen. 2 dice are rolled once. Find the probability of getting an even number on the first die or a total of face sum 8. Okay, first we find the number of 2 dice is given. So S is equal to already know 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Next 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Next 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Next 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Next 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 6. Next 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. Okay, so number of S is equal to 36. Okay, so first asking that getting on even number or a first die. So first die only is first. This is the first die. This is the second die. Okay, so first die is only even number. So this is 2 and 4 and 6. 1, 3, 5 are odd number. Here is given even number on the first die. Okay, first die even number 2, 4, 6. So this event I'll take A. So let A be the event of getting on even number on the first die. Okay. So A is equal to 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. We see the first die only. Okay. So second die is first die only you see. So 2 over next to 4. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4. 4, 6. Next 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. Okay. So number of A is equal to 18. So P of A is equal to number of A by number of S. So number of A is 18 by 36. Okay. So first is over. Okay, first die even number on a first die. Next second is given or a total of face sum 8. Total, we add the total. Okay, total is 8. So this event I'll take B. Let B be the event of getting a total of face sum 8. Okay, so B is equal to, we add 8. 8 means 6, 2, 6. Okay, so 2, 6. Next 3, 5. 3 plus 5, 8. Okay, next 4 plus 4, 8. 4, 4. Next 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3, 8. Next 6 plus 2, 8. So number of B is equal to 5. Okay. Next P of B is equal to number of B by number of S. So 5 by 36. Next we find P of A intersection B. This A or here is given R. So you use formula P of A union B. Suppose is asking and if asking you, we find A intersection B. Okay. If question R is asking you find A union B and is asking you find P of A intersection B. Okay. So here is R only. So we use P of A union B formula. So P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So we want to find A intersection B. A intersection B means the common elements only. Here are common elements 6, 2. Okay. Next 2, 6. 2, 6. 4, 4. Next 6, 2. Okay. So 2, 6. Next 4, 4. Next 6, 2. So P of A intersection, the number of A intersection B. So number of A intersection B is equal to 3. So P of A intersection number of A intersection B by number of S. So is equal to 3 by 36. Now we find P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Okay. So P of A is 18 by 36 plus P of B is 5 by 36 minus 3 by 36. So the denominator one same only. So we add numerator 18 plus 5 minus 3 by 36. So 18 plus 5 23 minus 3, 20 by 36. We simplify. 10 2s are 20, 18 2s are 36. Next 5 2s are 10. Next 9 2s are 18. So is equal to 5 by 9. Okay. So answer 5 by 9. P of A union B is equal to 5 by 9. Next is next question, 7th question. From well shuffled pack of 52 cards, a card is drawn at random. Find the probability it being either a red king or black. Or so you find A union B. Okay, first card is red king, second card is black queen. Already you know number of S equal to 52 cards. So number of S equal to 52. The first event I will take. Let A be the event of getting a red king. Okay, so red king. So number of A is equal to king means already I told 4 card is there. Okay, king already I explained one time. King 4 card, 2 is red, 2 is black color. Okay, so red king only asking. So red color how many cards is there? 2 card. Okay, king, jack, queen, 4 cards is there. So 4 in 2 is red, 2 is black. So red king is 2 cards. So number of A equal to 2. So P of A is equal to number of A by number of S. So 2 by 52. Okay, next is black queen. Okay, so this event I'll take B. So let B be the event of getting a black queen. Okay, so already queen also already told 4 card. 4 2 is red, 2 is black. Here is asking black card, so 2 black is there. So number of B is equal to 2. So P of B is equal to number of B by number of S. So 2 by 52. Next we find P of A intersection B, because A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So already we find P of A and P of B. Now we find P of A intersection B. So P of A intersection B, that card is king, this is queen. So that the common card is not there. So P of A intersection B equal to 0. Okay, common card is not there, because that is king card, 2 king. Okay, this is 2 queen. So common card is not there. So P of A intersection B equal to 0. So P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So P of A is 2 by 52 plus P of B also 2 by 52 minus P of A intersection 0. So denominator is same. So you add numerator. 4 by 52. So simplify. 1 4 is 4. 1 4 is 4. Balance 1. 3 4s are 12. So 1 by 13. So P of A union B is equal to 1 by 13. Okay, you understood? Okay, you understood? Okay, thank you students.